Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In the headlines today, effective project management at SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant leads to smooth closure of another big contract in blast furnace. Fire safety demo cum awareness program organized at SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. And musical program organized to mark the Qaumi Ekta Week observations. Now the news in detail. With effective project management at SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant, a major contract of rebuilding of Blast Furnace 1 Parvati has been closed smoothly in spite of various challenges. It is worth mentioning here that the complete rebuilding project of Parvati, SAIL's first blast furnace BF1 situated at its Rourkela Steel Plant, was conceived few years back. This being a brownfield project, execution of the project was needed to be carried out without affecting the production of other nearby running furnaces. During execution, one of the major project consortium members was referred to NCLT. In such a situation, usually most of the projects get derailed, leading to indefinite delays and substantial escalation of project cost. However, with the collective efforts of RSP management and the other consortium member, project has been completed. At present, Parvati is running successfully above its rated capacity of 2900 tons per day of hot metal and fulfilling various techno-economical parameters. The highest production of 3,552 tons per day of hot metal from this furnace was recorded on 17/8/2020, which is about 122% of the rated capacity. This technologically upgraded blast furnace has a number of advanced features which includes new skip system, closed loop cooling system with soft water, twin flat cast houses at 90° apart with cast house defuming system, new turbo blower for high top pressure, new hot blast system for higher blast temperature, new coal dust injection system, new gas cleaning plant and a new duster catcher. During closure of contracts, it is quite common to see big projects going for big disputes too. As such, there was an issue pertaining to the consortium partner referred to NCLT. However, this contract, in spite of several constraints and unforeseen challenges, has been amicably closed recently within the sanctioned cost. Congratulating the Blast Furnace and Project Collective on this occasion, Mr. Deepak Chatraj, CEO RSP, said, "This project is an ideal case study of effective project management, wherein several constraints were surmounted with intelligently implemented strategies and innovative ways of dispute settlements, with the ultimate objective of creating a win-win situation for both the organization and project execution partner." A fire safety demo cum awareness program was organized in the administrative building of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant on 20th November. Around 30 employees of Personnel Department, Materials Management and Marketing Department, Finance and Accounts, Public Relations, Law, Internal Audit, Vigilance and CEO Secretariat participated in the awareness program. Different aspects of fire prevention was discussed in the program with focus on types of fire, usage of fire extinguishers for different kinds of fire and fire extinguishing principles, LPG safety and home fire safety, first aid, preliminary firefighting techniques were demonstrated along with the theoretical inputs on basic chemistry of fire. Hands-on training on usage of fire extinguishers were also provided to the participants. The session were conducted by the team from Fire Services Department and coordinated by Personnel Department. To mark the Qaumi Ekta Week observations, we bring you a beautiful song on communal harmony presented by Ms. Rajalakshmi Kavi of Town Services Department. That's all for the news today. Namaskar.